Staying warm and fed out here is a daily challenge, but with proper planning and the right companion, mornings like these are peaceful. Staying alive at -70 involves some simple physics. Livestock like this use trapped air and shared body heat to conserve energy. All right, girls, here's your breakfast. Stay warm. Here you go. I've been taking care of these small animals for years. It's harsh here, but with the right gear, they can thrive. You are so warm and soft, little one. You two are just about the warmest things in here. You need to strike it efficiently right in the center to split it easily. See? It's all about the angle. Keep your distance, little one. This is hard work. Oh. Meow. Keep it secure. Needs to hold against the wind. Meow. Meow. Almost there. Meow. Just a bit tighter. Meow. There. Good job, little guy. Staying hydrated in -70 degrees Celsius isn't just a challenge, it's essential.
Meow.
Ah, that hits the spot. Here, let's warm you up too. Staying alive in the Arctic requires maximizing every calorie. This brick packs over 500. In this -70°C Arctic, bread isn't just food, it's our vital source, it's a vital source of energy and warmth. Time for this one to cool. Oh. Staying warm isn't just about layers, it's about knowing your materials. See this? This wool lining is what makes all the difference against the -70°C cold. Hello there, it's all right. Just checking in. Keep warm, little one. We'll finish this before nightfall. Staying alive here means understanding the smallest things, like collecting safe water. See that ice? It's the cleanest water source for... In the Arctic, rest isn't a luxury. It's the most critical survival tool you have. To stop the moisture, stack them loosely like this, allowing the air to flow through. It keeps them dry for the fire. All right, just a few more, then we can head in. Meow. Keep a safe distance from the flames, ensure proper ventilation, and never leave the fire unattended. I think it's finally holding.
So.
About time. The house was getting cold. Brewing this tea gives me the energy and warmth and the minus 70-degree Arctic. Nothing better. The Arctic jungle is unforgiving, but I search for metals and old materials hidden beneath the ice. Feels like a strong signal this time. Meow. Found something. It's an old coin. You are so brave, little one. It's okay. Whimper. Hello, sweet kitty. Fur. Oh, you poor thing. How did you get all the way out here? It's gonna be okay. I'll help you. I think I got something. Meow. Just a coin. The storm's bad out there, so let's get started on this little one. This white wolf baby is injured, you see? When taking care of a wolf cub, especially in the Arctic, it's all about keeping them warm. Hygiene is crucial. We use soft brushes and fresh snow. It's delicate.
All right, first we'll wrap the bandage gently around the paw, ensuring it's snug but not too tight. Make a neat little fold like this.
Almost finished now. Just one more loop. You're such a good boy. Purr.
All right, little guy. Soon you'll be ready for your pack. We need to make sure you know the territory and the dangers. You are so brave, little one. It's okay. Whimper. Hello, sweet kitty. Fur.
Okay, little guy. Time to go home. Be brave. Letting wild animals return safely is crucial. It's about balance, respect, and ensuring their place in this harsh world.
Look, it's your mom. There you are, sweetheart. Family reunited.
Keep these safe.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
We're doing well, aren't we? Subscribe to this channel for more survival videos.